Hey YouTube, a quick update on the 2011 Ford Fusion. I got a new part in. My previous video showed you that if you wiggle these wires, that's ignition, and back of the ignition is this little black box with a clip in there. And I showed you a previous video, if you shake these wires and you're holding down a key, it will start. Well, let's do this. You press this in, it's got a clip on it. You press this in, you unplug it, it unplugs. Then there is a other clip right here and one on top. So you put one finger here and one finger above it, and you squeeze it. And when you squeeze it, it should pop out. There you go. It's out. So this is that piece, and there's the new one. There's the new one, and there's the part number. I don't know if you can see it. I can't really zoom in no more. US 431 switch commutator interruptor standard. So we get this piece out. You can tell it's just a little piece. It goes in one way, which is this way. You just stick it back in here, you click in, and then you put this clip back, plug that in, and it should fire right up. So that was it. That's the quick update. So this was the bad part, and finally we know it, and now it starts. Thanks for watching.